This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. Verify the PC has network access and correct DNS so RPC can locate endpoints. Next, open services. MSC and set remote procedure call, RPC, and RPC locator to automatic. Also enable TCP/IPNet BIOS helper if present. Once done, check Windows firewall inbound rules and allow TCP port 135. If your environment uses dynamic RPC, prepare to open the high port range. These steps restore basic connectivity. Now dive into details. Open Regedit and confirm RPC SS keys exist and point to the correct image path. Missing or altered entries break startup. Then inspect services for dependencies like DCOM launch and RPC EPT mapper. Start them if stopped and set proper startup types. After that, run an SFC scan with administrative privileges to detect corrupted system files that can spoil RPC binaries. If SFC reports fixable items, reboot and rerun until clean to ensure stable RPC behavior. Finish by rebooting to apply service and registry changes, then test connectivity. Ping the target, telnet to port 135, and open component services to access remote COM apps. If RPC still fails, run system restore to a known good point or perform a repair install to restore damaged system components. Finally, use Event Viewer to capture exact RPC error codes. These granulated details guide precise fixes or signal driver and network stack issues. Keep a troubleshooting log for repeat attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.